Welcome back to new exercise in SolidWorks. Wobbler steam engine. Wobbler is a valveless oscillating steam engine. The engine has no connecting rod and pin on the piston. Wobbler engine helps convert the linear motion of the piston to rotation of the flywheel. Now here we will create each and every part separately and we will assemble at the end, and we will make this simple animation also. So in this tutorial we will make our first part column of Wobbler steam engine. Now this is your Wobbler steam engine drawing. Now I am going to make first part. Just zoom. The first part is column scale 1.2:1. Now if you check, all dimensions are in inches. Okay, and one more thing, you will see these dimensions have too many number of decimals, so I converted all the dimensions in fraction. See, you will see all the dimensions in maximum dimensions in fraction. So let's start this one. So base, we will keep origin point at the base. Overall length 2 and 5 by 8 inch. See here, and we will start from use a revolve boss base feature to make first upper part. We will save this body in two parts, not two parts, in two body. Bottom one is separate body, so it looks more realistic. Now you will see here at top 5 by 8 inch is the diameter, see, and this thickness 1.4 inch. Then same comes here 1.2 inch. This thickness, if you calculate from 1 inch minus 1.4, it's become 1 by 2 inch. Then 5 by 8 inch again, 5 by 16 this corner, because this is tapered, and this corner diameter 3 by 8 inch. Remember this. Then there is one block. This block diameter 5 by 8 inch. Then the corner we have chamfer 0.5 into 45 degree. Okay, let's make this. Then we will see. Now before going to start, we have to change unit. So unit, you can change it from here, edit document unit. Now I want to make unit in fractions. So first go to IPS, see unit in documents property, IPS. Now here make decimal 4 or 5 numbers so that it will be visible for us. And here fraction, according to our drawing there are almost up to 64 fractions, so I am going to use 128 maximum, so it will cover all drawings. Say OK. I am going to choose right plane, sketch. Now I am going to draw one center line. Press escape key to out. Smart dimension. Now put this one. Now this dimension, press 2 space bar, 5 divided by 8. Say OK. Look, these dimensions in fraction. So we are going to use fraction. Activate line tool. Escape key to out. Let's apply these dimensions first. Make sure this is construction line, so select this one and select this line. If move cursor outside, this dimension going to be 5 by 8 inch. See, similarly this one going to be 1 by 2 inch. This is also going to be 5 by 8 inch. And let me choose this corner. This corner 5 by 16 inch. Similarly this corner, and this is going to be 3 by 8 inch. Okay. Okay, there is a one square. So let me draw. Okay, let it clear first the height. Smart dimension. Now the height going to be 1 by 4 inch, 1 by 4 inch. Okay. Now this is also going 1 by 4 inch, and distance from here to here 1 inch. See, this is what the distance we have. Now these total distance half inch, so 1 by 2, that's it. Now activate. Now there is an arc, so go back to the point and see, this is going to convert into arc, and place somewhere here, then go something, don't create any relation, then again go back to the point and convert this arc line into arc. Draw one arc, again go to the point and convert this line also an arc. And connect with this. This is the end point. Okay. Let's take little down. So that we will get a close result. Now let's check here. 5 by 8, half inch. Then you come here, there is one arc, you will see closely. Arc, upper point 3 by 8. Now lower point 0.51 inch. See this lower point. Then there is one half circle. There is circle 3 by 4 is the outside to outside distance. Okay. Then there is a one end to end point 0.59, and the radius, if you want to see, come here. See this arc radius 3 by 20 and this radius 1 by 32. That's why we took maximum number of fractions. Okay, these gaps 3 by 4 and these gaps 1 by 6, 16 inch. See here. So let's do this. Smart dimension first. Let's make half inch. 1 by 2. Okay. Now let's make angle diameter. This diameter 5 by 8 inch. Okay, that's fine. Now distance from here, it's 3 by 8 inch. Fine. Now from here, it's going to be 0.51 inch. It's now press and hold shift key, select this one and this one, and the outside to outside of this curve 3 by 4 inch. That's fine. And also these end points 0.59 inch. Three by 4 inch. Okay, now let's define, okay, this radius. Three by 20 inch. Okay, it's going. Now here we have to create a relation. Hold shift key, select these 2 points, horizontal or vertical. Similarly create these 2 relations so that it looks perfect. Now smart dimension. Now distance from here to here, it's 7 by 16 inch. and this one 1 by 16 inch. Look, drawing is fully defined. Just check. See, this is the actual dimensions, and at bottom there is one more flange going inside of this flange. You will see here 3 by 8 inch. So let's do this also, 3 by 8 inch. Okay, and this is going to meet at this point. Start from here to here, 3 by 8 inch. That's fine. I'm going to use trim entity and delete this. Now we have perfect drawing. By default, if you check, 3 by 16 inch. Okay, we forget to add one more thing. Now see the corner chamfer is, you will see here 0.5 into 45. So chamfer we can add later. Revolve boss base feature. Now this is open just because of this construction line. So system asks you, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now by default system took this center line as the axis of revolution. Direction, I want to make full 360 degree body, solid body, so keep here 360 angle. Say okay. Look, see. Now again I am going to choose right plane, sketch, line, draw one vertical line. Make sure these lines are construction line. Again, now start from this end point. This end point and connect with this, because this is going to be another body. Okay, smart dimension. Now select dimension from here to here. Now the bottom dimension 1, press space, 3 by 8. Okay, see. Now there is a chamfer 1 by 16, 45 degree. You will see here, and 1 and 3 by 8 inch. See, a smart angle. First I am going to define angle 45 degree, then select this line, and this is going to be 1 by 16 inch. Now here choose revolve boss base feature. Axis, by default system took this line. We need to make 360 degree a solid body. Here I am going to choose unmerged result. Okay. Now you will see here we have two bodies. So I am not going to make separate body, just to save as a two body. Wherever we required we can take it. Now let me do one thing, edit the color so that it looks more visible. Fine. Now you will see there is a one cutout. This is the right face. You will see this in this side section. This is cut out up to here 1 by 2. This is the dimensions, cutting dimensions. Then in opposite direction there is one more cutout, 11 by 16. See, distance from here to here, 11 by 16, and this is going to be cut like this up to this face. You will see here in hidden line. Then there is a hole 5 by 16 throughout hole, and here one more hole, here two more hole, 1 by 4 inch, 0.24 from this end, and location 1 by 4 from this face, and there is a 1 by 8 throughout hole. So let's do this. First I am going to choose chamfer 0.5 45 degree, zero point zero five, not see, okay, now select this face, sketch. Now here let me choose center rectangle, and I want to cut this. Smart dimension. Now distance from here to, hold shift key and select distance from outer side, 1 by 2. See, and this one let's keep any dimensions like 0.5. Okay, even though it should be bigger than this, even define one temporary length, anything, 1 inch. Hold shift key and select these 2 points horizontal. Now it seems fully defined. Okay, extrude cut, and here choose up to surface and cut up to this surface. Okay, look, now here we miss dimension. It should be from here 1 point, not from this outer face. So simply exit, sketch, and delete this dimension from this. Hold shift key, then make dimension from here, and this is going to be 1.2 inch. Okay, say okay. See, now let's make one hole here. Okay, let's sketch, active one hole here, and one hole here also. Smart dimension 5 by 16, and distance from here to this upper edge, one by 4 inch. Okay, now let's make one. This is fully constrained. Now let's make this to a smart dimension. Now this is 1 by 8, 1 by 8 inch, and this distance just half, 1 by 4 from this corner. See, and this is throughout hole. So simply choose extruded cut, and here choose through all. Okay, that's it. And opposite side also we need to make one hole. So I am going to select the same thing, same face, sketch, activate circle, create one circle from this center point, press escape key to out, and activate smart dimension. And this diameter is 1 by 4 inch. Okay, but location is 0.24 inch away from this face. So simply activate extruded cut. Okay, start condition change offset, and this is going to be 0.24 inch reverse. See, 0.24 inch from this face to here, and keep end condition all. Cut. Now look, see, the hole is created. If you check right plane, section view, okay. If you check, evaluate, measure, and select this edge, inches, see, 0.25, 1/4 inch, okay. Now again we need to cut back side, so select this face, sketch. Now again I am going to draw one rectangle, escape key to out. Now let's make little bigger, let's say 1 inch, and this is also defined something like 0.5 inch, okay. Just drag somewhere out, hold shift key, select these 2 points horizontal. Now we need to define a distance. Now distance from outside, select this line, hold shift key and select this outside distance. This is important distance, 11 by 16 millimeter, 16 inch. Look, isometric view, and activate extruded cut feature, reverse, and here choose up to surface and up to this surface, because I want to cut these two only, okay. Look, this is how the shape of our column. Now you will see here 2 holes. These are the inlet and exhaust hole. So this one is exhaust hole and this is inlet hole. So look, 1 by 16, and this is, you will see here throughout hole, but one hole only 5 by 16. See the second one, 1 by 16. Distance 1495. This is the center distance, and height, this is the height. So let's create this. Select this face, sketch. Let me draw one line. Make reference line so it makes ease for us. Now this is the important distance, and 0 point, this is a height actually, 132561124, okay. And this distance, not this distance from here to diameter, 0.14958, okay. Let's create hole. Smart dimension 1 by 16. Choose mirror entity here, choose hole. Make sure selected copy, mirror about this line, okay. Look, activate extruded cut feature. One hole is for exhaust, one for inlet. So here choose through all, better to activate selected contour and this. Only one hole. Okay. Here select auto select. Look. Now again activate sketch, extrude cut. In selected contour clear, choose only this one. Now here choose blind end condition, and here we have to write 5 by 16. This is the depth. Okay. Look. Okay. I'm going to choose section view. Okay. Now look. This is how the hole is created. Now see, all edges 0.005. All edges have this one. Radius. Okay. So simply going to activate radius, constant type fillet. Here set 0.005 inch radius, symmetric. Now start to choose. Okay, this is another body, so we are not able to select this one, but everywhere we have fillet. Okay, here we don't have. Just say okay. Again activate, and this time select these two. Okay. Now this face keep as it is. Not going to. Now let me save this. Wobbler steam engine, and this is going to be our first part, column. Okay. Now let's apply material. You will see here column AISI 1020. This is steel. So simply right click on material, edit material, go to steel, and here you will find AISI 1020, apply, close. Now this is the material we applied, but we don't want to keep this appearance, so simply go to appearance, scene and decals. In appearance you will see this color by default, double click, then again go to here and directly apply this, so that you will get exactly the same. Let's make second part of Wobbler steam engine, bearing. Now check here in table, second part bearing, material 6061 alloy. This is aluminium alloy. Let's check dimension. Now see the outer diameter 3 by 8 inch, the length of this bearing 11 by 16 inch, and this head length 9 by 64 inch, and the bottom diameter 5 by 64, and there is a one hole 3 by 16 inch. So let's make this, and then there is a corner fillet all 0.005 inch. So first we have to change unit. So right bottom, edit document unit, documents property units, here change IPS, and fraction I am going to choose 64 or more than that, but 64 is there, so, and this one I am going to use decimal 4. Okay. Now choose plane, front plane, sketch. Now activate line. Now I am going to draw one line up to origin. Okay, press escape key to out. Now select this line as a construction line, smart dimension. Now overall length 11 by 16 inch. See. Now let's define this diameter. This is bottom diameter 5 by 16. The upper one 3 by 8 inch. Fine. Then this height. Press escape key and make this height. And this is going to be 9 by 64 inch. See. Now press escape key to out of dimension. Go to features and activate revolve boss base feature. Now this is open just because of this center line is construction line. So here system asks you, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. System detects center line and choose as an axis of revolution. In direction 1 I am going to keep blind. Angle 360 because we want a complete solid body. Say yes. See here. Now select the top face, sketch. Now activate circle tool. Press at center or origin and drag and press somewhere here. Press escape key to out and activate smart dimension. Now this internal diameter 3 by 16 inch. This is fully defined sketch. Now go to features, activate extruded cut feature. From we will keep as it is. Now direction 1 we will choose through all. See. So it's going to cut up to end of body. Look. Go to feature and activate fillet. First one fillet type, constant size, and you have to choose edges. So 1, 2, 3 and internal 4. Now here show selection bar, tangent propagation, full preview. Then fillet parameters. Here you have to choose radius 0.005. Keep symmetric. Profile circular. This internal also there. Okay. Now right click on materials not specified. Edit material. And go to alloy, aluminium alloy, come down and you will find here 6061 alloy. See, you will see all the details of material here, elastic module, Poisson's ratio, shear module, mass density, apply and close. See, material applies, but appearance is different, so I am going to open appearance. Go to appearance, select this default color, double click and it will apply. Again here there is option edit appearance. Now from here I am going to apply yellow. Okay. Now let me save this one. Part 2 bearing. Welcome back to third exercise of Wobbler steam engine or third part, cylinder. Now look cylinder, its material is brass, quantity 1. Now this is the cylinder. Now we will start from this top view. You will see 5 by 8 inch long, width half inch, and there is a 2 circle. This dotted line shows it is inside or backside, 45 degree. Okay, 3 by 8 inch. This is going to be remember. Now there is the width of this one end 1 by 8 inch. Then there is a hole 3 by 8 inch and the length of hole is 1 by 32 inch. Okay, so let's make this. Then there is at bottom there is one hole cut out. See this half inch circle. It's going to cut from bottom. And this is going to be like 1 by 8 inch. So let's try. we will, before going to start, edit documents unit, documents property unit, IPS, and here I am going to change fraction. Let's say 128. Always I keep maximum so that it won't hamper our things. Top plane, sketch. Now activate line, and I am going to draw somewhere like this. Okay, press escape key to out. Now make few important relation. Hold shift key and select center point and line midpoint. Okay, now select these two lines horizontal. Okay, now even though these two lines equal, smart dimension. Now first this is going to be 1/2 inch. Now from here to here 5/8 inch. Now let's define angle 45 degree. Okay, now let's make one circle. Okay, we will use here perimeter circle. Now I am going to select 1, 2, not this, again select perimeter circle, select this one, and this one. Select for construction. Okay, smart dimension. Now this distance given here 3/8. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Extrude. Now this portion we will keep upper side, so go downward, and here you have to apply the length. Press 1 space bar 1/8. Look, you will see the preview. See, okay. Now let me change appearance. Okay, appearance we will change later. Back side, sketch, activate circle, and here draw one circle. Activate circle, not perimeters. Press escape key to out. Smart dimension. Now the distance of this is same like 3/8 inch. Diameter also 3/8 inch. Okay, now one more relation. Hold shift key, select center point of circles, origin, leave shift key, and you will see this pop up horizontal. Look. Now go to feature and select extruded cut feature. Now here we have to define not vertex, keep blind, and here we have to define the length, and that is 1 space bar 1/32 inch. See the preview. Okay, look. Now show the first drawing. Sketch. Now see the previous, we created this line. Select this line, convert entity. Look. Now we need to extrude cut. Here how much depth? 1/8 inch. Look. But here select flip side to cut. Look. This is going to cut outside of the circle. Say yes, and here we go. Now let me hide this. See. Now let's make here one hole. See, this is a rod. The length 5/8 inch from distance, and this is throughout hole, and here one more hole, and this is 1/16, and this is also up to the inside hole, and this distance 3/8 inch. So select this face, sketch. Now activate circle, and here draw two circles. 1, 2. Okay. Now make important relation. Hold shift key, select these center points and origin point, and make in one line. So make vertical. So this is now in one line. Smart dimension. Now this whole diameter 1 by 8 inch. This whole diameter 1 by 16 inch. Okay. Now the first distance from bottom 5 by 8 inch. Fine. And the distance between these two holes 3 by 8 inch. Look, isometric view. Now here's activate extruded cut feature, and we need to cut up to inside. So let me try first up to next. Next means this inside wall. Say okay. Okay. If you see section view, okay. Now look, the hole is created up to the inside hole. Now here if you see, there is a one circle 7 by 16 inch, and this is also a cutout. You will see here a small dimension 0.01. This is the depth for this hole. Then here one more cutout. See depth 0.005. You will see this 1 by radius 1 by 2. So both sides we have cut out, and this is 0.05. Okay. Then we have to make this rod. This rod length you will see here 5 by 8 and 0.18 inch from this outer space. Okay, so let's make this cutout first. Select this face, sketch, activate circle, and draw here one circle. Smart dimension 7 by 16 inch. Now activate extruded cut feature. Now here choose blind, and depth is very small, 0.01 inch. Okay. Now look. Select again this face, sketch. Now activate circle and take from this smart dimension. Now radius is 1.2. So 1 by 2 into 1. 2. So it's going to be 1 inch. Extruded cut. Now depth is very small, 0.005 inch. But here choose flip side to cut. Look, this is going to cut only up to this side. In both sides. Okay. Look. Here also it's going to cut a very small portion. Now, okay, I am going to choose this face, sketch. Here we have to make same diameter of rod. So I am going to simply choose this circle because this is 1 by 8. Convert entity. Extrude. Now look. We have to extrude in two direction. Direction 1 is outside, and this is going to be 5 by 8. And here activate direction 2, and this is going inside, and inside it's 0.18 inch. Look. And make sure unmerge result so that we will get two separate body. Okay. Now here we have a small chamfer, so activate chamfer. This one. Now here I am going to choose chamfer type. This is angle distance. Item to chamfer you have to choose edge or face. So we selected edge. Tangent propagation. Okay. Full preview. Now chamfer parameter. Let me first put dimension 0.005 into 45 degree. You will see the preview here. Okay, rest as it is. Okay, look. Now here you have to see two body, one body and two body. Okay, now what else balance here? We did everything. Now here see all are 00 radius, all corner radius 0.005 inch. 0.005 inch, and here also these cut out corner fillet 0.002 inch. So we will do it all the one by one. We covered almost all the things. So activate fillet, constant type fillet, and first I'll put radius 0.005. Now here I am going to choose, so I am going to select these first vertical lines so that later it makes ease for us. This time I am going to select only vertical. Now even though you have to choose this line, okay, we selected almost 14 lines. Say OK. Now again activate fillet, constant type fillet 0.005 inch symmetric. Now here I am going to select. Now if I am going to select this one, this is selected whole because these are the already radius. See, this corner already radius. So we don't need to select one by one. These all are tangent each other. Okay, come down. In bottom also, if I am going to select this one, see, this is selected all this. Okay, now here all the things are covered. Okay, now the last one, let's say fillet. This time constant size fillet, radius is 0.002. Now for this I am going to select these corners, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, for this 0.002 inch constant type fillet. Now let's apply material. So right click on material, edit material. We have to apply brass. So brass you will find in copper alloy. See, brass. If you select, you will see all the properties of this material: elastic module, Poisson's ratio, mass density, everything, tensile strength, everything. Just say apply. Just see the material is apply. Close. But I don't want this, so appearance I am going to change. For better look, I like this. Okay, now let me save this. Now this is going to be part 3rd, cylinder. Welcome back to 4th exercise of Wobbler steam engine, and it is piston. Piston material 6061 alloy, aluminium alloy. Now this is the, now see, upper diameter 3 by 8 inch, length half inch. Then there is one more connecting rod, diameter 1 by 8 inch, and this is 1.25 inch, the length from top. So before going to change, I'm going to change unit, edit documents unit, and here I'm going to change fraction. IPS fraction, I'm going to choose maximum 128. Top plane, sketch. Now activate circle tool and start from origin. So with the help of left mouse, just click and drag and press escape key to out. Okay, again I am going to draw one more circle for inner one. Escape key to out. Now let me define this diameter. Now this is going to be 3 by 8 inch. The smaller one 1 by 8 inch. Now exit and activate extruded boss base feature. Now here first go to selected contour and choose the outer circle, so that we will extrude only outer body, not inner body. Now here I have to put dimension 1 by half inch. Make reverse side. See, end condition keep blind, start condition keep as it is. Now again select this one, this is sketch, activate extruded boss base. This time again first I am going to here selected contour, move cursor over circle and select the inside circle. See, this is moving upper side, just change direction, reverse direction, and the length. Press 1 space bar 1 by 4 inch. You will see the preview. Say OK. Now let's define this appearance red. Now here one rectangle 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and depth of this 1 by 8 inch. There is one hole 3 by 32 inch. Then from bottom you will see the corner fillet 0.02 and all radius 0.05. Okay, so let's do this. Right plane, sketch. Now activate center rectangle and press somewhere here. Press escape key to out. Now select this bottom line. Select this one, coincide. Now press and hold shift key and select these two lines. Make relation equal. One by 4 inch. Now again put one circle here at center, and this one define 3 by 32 inch. Okay. Now press and hold shift key, select center of this circle and this one, origin point, horizontal relation. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Extruded boss base feature. Now start condition we will keep same, end condition we will keep mid plane, and the thickness is 1 by 8 inch. Now just look, say OK. Look, now activate fillet, constant type, fillet type, constant size. Fillet I am going to, okay, before going to select fillet, just fillet parameter symmetric, and here put the dimension 0.002 inch, and I am going to select these corner. This is 0.02, only single 0. Okay. Now again fillet. Now this time I am going to put 0.005 inch constant size fillet, and let me select the edge. If I am going to select, see, it is selected whole face. Now select this inside face, so you don't need to select one by one, and I am going to select this corner. Now we covered all. Say OK. Now let's save this one. This is part 4, piston. We forget to apply material. Just right click, edit material, go to aluminum alloy, 6061 alloy. See all the properties here. Apply, close. Now I am going to apply appearance, because go to appearance, this is default color, then edit appearance, red color. Let's make part number 5, crankshaft for Wobbler steam engine. So this is our crankshaft. All units are in inches. Now here see, this is the web. Corner radius you will see 11 by 32. Then here one this half radius. This corner radius 3 by 32. This upper circular radius 3 by 32. Now there is 2 hole. You will see inside side view. This dotted line shows there is a hole. So 5 by 32 and 3 by 32. The thickness of this web 5 by 32. So let's make this, and the center distance 1 by 4 inch. Okay. And here we will make this all 3 parts separate, because this pin goes inside and this shaft also goes inside. Front plane, before going to choose any plane, we have to change unit. Edit documents unit. Documents unit, unit IPS here choose. And fraction, I am going to choose up to 128 fractions. Maximum will makes your job easy. Front plane, sketch. Now activate circle tool and let me draw 2 circles. Okay, press escape key to out. Activate line tool. Draw one line from this half circle line and connect to this. Press escape key to out. Now activate center line. Draw one center line. Press escape key to out. Mirror entity. Now here I am going to choose these 2 lines, which is going to be mirror. Make sure we selected. Copy, mirror about the reference line. This is going to be our reference line. And here you will see this preview. Okay. Now before going to apply any dimensions, first I am going to trim. So activate trim entity, power trim in options, and press and hold left mouse and drag over the line which you want to trim. See, leave cursor and move your mouse. Again press and hold left mouse and drag. I'll do same for all. Now see. Okay. Now activate smart dimension. Now this is going to be 11 by 32. Now this upper radius 3 by 32 inch. Now the height 1 by 4 inch. Activate here sketch fillet. Before going to fill any entities, just make sure fillet parameters apply 3 by 32. Now select these 2 corners. Now apply and close. See here. Now here, okay, hole we will make in legs. Extrude. Now start condition same, end condition direction 1 keep blind and make reverse, because this is our main plane. Now here you have to apply the thickness. So it's going to be 5 by 32 inch. Say okay. Now let's make hole here. So select this face, sketch. Now activate circle. Now I am going to draw hole here. One hole from origin point. Press escape key to out. Now here select this outer edge. Hold shift key, select this circle and leave shift key, and you will see this pop up, or left side you will see cordial tangential concentric. So I am going to choose this. Smart dimension. Now define diameter 3 by 32 inch. Now this one, it's going to be 5 by 32 inch. And activate extruded cut feature. Here choose the in direction through all. So we don't need to define any dimension. It will cut up to the end. Look. Now let's create a pin. So I'm going to choose. Now see this pin 3 by 36. It is goes up to end. And this shaft diameter 3 by 16. 1 and 1 by 4 inch. And it will go inside also. So we will make these 3 parts separately. Let's see. Select this face, sketch. Now select this corner circle, because the diameter is equivalent to pin. Convert entity. Now extrude. Now in direction 1, let's define dimension 3 by 16 inch. Activate direction 2. Here choose up to surface. Now select this surface. Now you will see the preview, and here unmerge result, because we want to save as a different body. Okay. Now here you will see 2 bodies. Now rod we will create with the help of revolve boss base feature. So choose here right plane, sketch. Now just change preview this one. Okay, activate here line tool. Up to this face, press escape key to out. Now select this line as a construction line. Now these diameter, select this line and move cursor, you will see the diameter 3 by 16 inch, and this diameter, the whole diameter is 5 by 32. Okay, select this line, shift escape key. Now this one, press 1 space bar 1 by 4 inch. Now it is fully defined sketch. Revolve boss base. Now due to this construction line, these profiles are open. So system asks you, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now here I am going to select shaded view. By default, system took this unmerged result 360-degree blind, because I want to create one solid body. See, this is the third result. There is a fillet 0.01, 0.01, all the flanges. Even if you see in detail, now activate fillet. Fillet type constant size. Before going to select any edge or face, I am going to go to fillet parameter symmetric and here put radius 0.01, and I am going to select these two corners first. Even though you can select this corner, delete face. Okay, it's difficult to select this corner, so this is body face. You can't select any other body's corner. Okay, again activate fillet. Same, everything same. I am going to select these two faces. Okay, again activate fillet. This time I am going to select this face because I want to keep fillet on both sides. You can't select this body. Okay, fillet, select. I want to create only this side, not inside. Okay. Now apply material, edit material. The material is 6061 alloy. 6061 alloy steel. You will see all the properties of material. Just click apply and you will see the change. But appearance, we don't want this one. So go to appearance. This is the default color. Edit appearance from here, and this is our appearance. Now save this one. Wobbler steam engine, crankshaft. Let's make part number 6, flywheel in Wobbler steam engine. Now all units are in inches. 6 flywheel, material AISI 1020, one number of quantity. Now you will see this is the section view of this flywheel. This is front view. So if we check front view, the outer diameter 1 and 1 by 4 inch. Okay. Then there is a one hole. You will see here 3 by 16 inch. Okay. Then there is one more cutout. You will see in section view. If I am going to zoom more, look, these cutout 0.032 inch, both side. So this is the one 7 by 8 inch, and the internal diameter 3 by 8 inch. So let's make this. I am going to choose, before going to make unit, edit documents unit. Here I am going to choose IPS, and fraction I am going to define 128 up to, even 64 enough, but front plane sketch. Now I am going to activate circle and move cursor over origin point, click and place circle and press somewhere here, press escape key to out. Now activate smart dimension. Now this is going to be 1 space bar 1 by 4 inch. Go to feature, now exit and go to feature and activate extruded boss base feature. Start condition keep same, end condition or direction I am going to keep mid plane. If you keep mid plane, see this is going to move both sides equally. The thickness is 5 by 16 inch. Say okay. Before going this, I am going to edit. Okay, edit we will do at the end. Select this face, sketch. Now here I am going to draw this one circle. Now again second and third. Press escape key to out. Activate smart dimension. First I am going to define inner one. And the inner one 3 by 16 inch. The outer one 7 by 8 inch. And the third, this is going to be 3 by 8 inch. Okay. Now this center one we will cut throughout, but this one we will cut a small one. So activate extruded cut feature. Now here too many close profile. So you have to move cursor and select which one you want to cut first. So I am going to select this face. Keep end condition through all. You don't need to define any dimension. Just cut through all. Look here. Now click and activate sketch 2. Go to feature and again activate extruded cut feature. Again move cursor and select this face. I want to cut this, but this time I am going to select in direction blind 0.032 inch. Okay. Now look. Now let's mirror. How to mirror? Just choose here mirror. First you have to choose a center reference plane. So I am going to select front plane. That's why we choose middle plane for the first extrusion. Now next come feature to mirrors. Select from here, or even though directly you can choose from here. Now rest keep as it is. Partial view. If you choose full preview, it will show both side. Okay. See. There is one thread. You will see. Major diameter 0.1015. Depth 0.645. And this is the unit of unified national coarse thread. Size number 5. 40 thread per inch. See. And depth of thread 1 by 4 inch. Okay, let's do this. And all corner radius 0.005 inch. Okay, let's do this. So I want to create hole at top, so we have to create one plane. Activate plane. First reference top plane. Then for second one directly choose this one. Parallel. Okay, that's enough parallel. Okay. Now go to feature and activate extruded hole wizard. Okay. Now here hole type, select this one. Straight tap. Unit standard I am going to choose inches. Come down and this is going to be a tabbed hole. Okay. Now here already selected number 540 thread per inch. Okay. If we click this one, show custom. Here this is our size 0.1015 inch. Now hole blind. Now depth 0.645 and up to shoulder, not through all. Now blind thread size 1 by 4 inch. Okay, that's confirm. Come options, choose this one. with thread callout. Position. Now move at center and select here. Press escape key to out. Just rotate and see the position. Okay, this is going to be perfectly. Say yes. Option, documents property, detailing, and I'm going to choose shaded cosmetic thread. Okay. Now you will see here. Click and hide plane. Now activate fillet. First type constant size, then fillet parameter symmetric and radius 0.005, and here item to fillet I'm going to choose this face. Better to choose face so that we will select major number of things. See, this hole also covered. Now select this face, this face, this face. See, all the edges are going to covered. Say OK. Select this edit or before going to edit appearance, I am going to apply right click, edit material, steel. Okay, AISI 1020. You will, once you click, you will see all the properties of material. Here you will see units. Let's say here apply. Now see it change. Close. Appearance we want to keep, so go to appearance, default color, again edit appearance from here, and dark pink is our main color. Let me save this. Desktop, Wobbler steam engine, and this is part 6, flywheel. Let's make last two part for Wobbler steam engine. It is washer, 1 numbers, hexagon nut. So let's check washer dimension, 0.406 inch, 0.41141 inch inside circle, inside diameter, and thickness is 0.045 inch, and there is a radius as at corner. See, before going to do this, first change unit, edit documents unit, keep inches, and fraction I am going to, okay, we don't need here fraction, so let's keep as it is. Top plane, sketch. Now activate circle. Now draw two circles and press escape key to out of selection. Activate smart dimension. Now the outer diameter 0.406 inch and inner one 0.141 inch. See, it seems fully defined sketch. Press escape key to out of selection. Go to feature and activate extruded boss base feature. Now here we have to define thickness. So, and start condition keeps as it is. I want to move add thickness, so go to blind and here put dimension 0.045 inch. See, now let's apply fillet type, constant size fillet. Now I'm going to select this face and this face, and here fillet parameter, here we have to put radius 0.005 inch. See, okay. Now right click on material, edit material. Now here I want to apply here 1020 steel. Now you will see, if we select this one, you will see all the properties of material. Simply apply and close. I want to change the look or appearance for this, so I am going to open edit appearance, scene decal, click appearance. This is default color. Double click and it will apply on that. Now again go to here, edit appearance, and I'm going to apply this one. Okay. Now let me save this one. Desktop. Now this is going to be part number 7, washer. Okay. Now look here, nut. And this is the size 540, number 540 thread per inch. Now 0.312, and there is a one circle 1 by 8 inch, and thickness 0.114 inch. Now top plane sketch. Now activate here polygon. Now in polygon, first option for construction, no. Second option, parameters. So number of sides, how much? 6. Okay. Inscribe circle. Okay. And this one as it is. Now click at origin point and move your cursor. Press escape key to out of selection. Now select this line, vertical. Smart dimension. Now this is going to be 0.312 inch. See? Okay. Extrude. Now start condition keep same. End condition I am going to keep mid plane because it really help us. And thickness 0.114 inch. Okay. Select the face, sketch. Now here we need to create a hole. So activate circle and start from origin point because origin is the center for this. Now I am directly apply 1 by 8 inch, enter. See, press escape key to out. Activate extruded cut feature, and here I am going to select in direction 1 through all. Say OK. It will cut through all. See. Now here angle cutout, see this chamfer 30 degree. Then this inside chamfer 0.015 into 45 degree. And remember this diameter for this inscribed circle. And okay, material also steel. Now I am going to select right plane, sketch, and let me draw one center line. Press escape key to out. Again activate line tool. Press escape key to out. Smart dimension. Now let me define this angle 30 degree. And distance from here to outside 0.312. This is the diameter. Okay. Now activate revolve cut feature. Now see, axis of revolution, by default system took this center line. I want to cut 360 degrees, so keep end condition blind, and this is the angle 360 degree. Say yes. And here look, let's mirror this. Activate mirror. First we have to choose a center plane. So there is one plane, top plane. Now feature you can directly select from here. Say OK, and look, this is mirror. Now again I am going to select chamfer. Now here angle distance, item to chamfer. Before going to this, chamfer parameters, and here select 0. Let me check what exactly, 0.15 inch and 45 degree. So I am going to directly select this face. So both the edges will took this. Okay. Now here right click on material, edit material, steel 1020, apply. Okay. Now look, our nut is ready. I'm going to change appearance. So go to appearance, double click on this and this appearance apply. Again edit appearance, and from here I'm going to change. I'm going to apply this color. Okay. Now let me save this. This is last part, nut. Save. Let's make the assembly of Wobbler steam engine. We did all the parts. Now start to assemble. Now you will see this assembly 1 to 8 part, and you will see in column all parts are in one quantity and material also shown, and the unit shown here in inches. So let's start to create this assembly. Now go to file and open new, and here choose assembly, say OK. Once you open, it will automatically start begin assembly, and this window pop up open. So first part by default fixed, so I am going to choose column, open. Now before going to place somewhere, I am going to open this visibility on off, and here choose open view origin, and if I move my cursor over origin, it is going to fix. See, click on this origin and the part is fixed. It will show you some warning, but let's forget. Now you can't move this component. Right click, float, it means this is fixed. By default this is fixed. Now I don't need this, so you can turn off view origin. Now insert, before going to insert, let me change unit IPS. Insert component. Now the second component bearing, open. Now place somewhere here and drop down and choose rotate component, and rotate this head here because this head I want to be here. Say OK. Now activate MET. Here selected, we are in standard MET operation, MET selection. Let me choose this whole of the column and this face, and it will show you a relation, concentric relation between these two. Say OK. Now I am going to select this face and select this face, and here again a relation created, coincident relation between these two. Okay. Now I want to fix this because this is rotating, so I want to do one more relation. Front plane of column and front plane of bearing. If I select this, see, it will rotate. Look how it is rotate, and this is in one plane. Coincident relation. Say OK. Cancel. Now let me save this as a Wobbler steam engine assembly. Save. Now let's correct this. Insert component. Now next component, let me select cylinder, open. Now move somewhere here and place, activate MET, and let's create a relation between cylinder and column. So I am going to select this internal surface of this hole and outer surface of this and make relation concentric relation. Okay. Now see, this is going to rotate along with this. Now I am going to select this face and this face. Coincident relation. Fine. Okay. Now I'll keep this one as it is, and I'm going to bring some other part. Insert component. This time let me hold Control key and select these two parts, piston and crankshaft. Now place piston here and the crankshaft here. MET. Now let me little rotate. Okay. Now select internal face of this piston, cylinder and piston. Concentric relation. Okay. Now let me select this rod and this whole face. Now I want this web this side, so here you have option flip mat alignment. Even this option you will also here mat alignment, rotate. See, okay. Now bring this here. Now important relation, select this face and bearing face, and a coincident relation going to be created between these two. Okay, let me rotate. Okay, let's select the whole of this piston and this face, concentric relation. Okay, now let me rotate this component and we will get idea how it going to work. See, okay, let's insert the next component, flywheel. Okay, let me insert here, rotate component. Okay, mat. Now I am going to select this internal hole and crankshaft rod, concentric relation. Okay, now the face of bearing and the face of flywheel, coincident relation. Fine. Now here I am going to create a relation between crankshaft and flywheel. So let's activate crankshaft. Right plane of crankshaft, come down, choose from here flywheel, right plane of flywheel. Look how it is changed. Coincident relation, say okay, cancel. Now if I am going to rotate this, see the flywheel also going to rotate. Okay, let's insert last two components, washer, control key, nut, open, place somewhere here, rotate component, take it in vertical position. Okay, mat. Let me select the whole of nut and face of cylinder rod, concentric relation. Okay, now rotate this little inside and let me choose these two face, and here you will see a distance, apply distance. You will see here 0.02 inch. Enter and you will see rotate and see the preview. Okay, that's it. Now I want to fix with okay, let me select this hole and this one, concentric relation, coincident relation actually. Take back, select this face and this face. Okay, see, now you will see this is steam exhaust inlet, exhaust port. Clear. Now I want to fix this. So I want to fix with this column. So if I am going to select front plane of column, come down, nut, right plane of nut, you will see it is rotate and it's going to fix in one plane. Say okay, coincident relation. Now look. Now let me save this, rebuild and save. Right click on command manager and go to toolbar and here activate motion manager. Now activate motion study. Now here I want to give some little more motion, so I'll go for animation, open, frame unit, animation frame unit. 60 frame will give more smooth, but it will utilize your system very powerfully. It will take too much cores, so just check is it capable your computer or not. Say okay, and I'm going to directly apply motor, and I'm going to apply motor on this face. Motor type rotary. Component directly we selected here, reverse direction. See, and here let's say 30 frame per RPM. Okay, now just calculate. Now see, this is calculating. Once calculation finish, now you can play. Drop down. See, even if you want to go back, play, look, reverse and forward, stop. And let me save this animation. Here give the name, video type MP4. Okay, keep this render. Now image size or video aspect ratio, you can change custom aspect ratio from here 16:9. You will see the window, preview window. And here frame, this is important, either 50 or 60. For smooth animation I'm going to keep 50, 60. Save. Now once you save, it will recalculate from start and it will save in your destination. So don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. I hope you learned basic features of SolidWorks assembly. Thanks for watching.